In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of converting an MP3 file into a Midi file using an online tool. This method is simple and works on both mobile devices and desktop computers. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser on either your mobile device or desktop. In the search bar at the top, type www.anyconv.com. This will take you to a free website that offers various online conversion tools. Once the website loads, you'll see a menu at the top labelled Convert. Hover your mouse over it and a drop-down menu with all the available converter tools will appear. Since we're working with an audio file, look for the MP3 converter option under the audio section and click on it. The web page will now load the MP3 converter tool. Here, you'll need to upload the MP3 file that you want to convert. Click on the Choose File button and this will open a window where you can locate your MP3 file on your computer or mobile device. For this tutorial, I'll select a music file that I've previously downloaded. Once you've selected your file, you'll see its name appear on the screen. Next to it, there's a section that says AAC. We need to change this format to Midi. To do that, click on the downward arrow next to AAC and a drop-down menu with various file formats will appear. Scroll through the list until you find Midi and select it. With the format set to Midi, all you need to do now is click on the Convert button. The website will start converting your MP3 file into a Midi file. This process might take a moment, so just be patient while it completes. Once the conversion is done, you'll see a green Download button on the screen. Click on this button to download your newly converted Midi file. You'll be prompted to choose a location on your device where you want to save the file. Select the desired location and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully converted your MP3 file into a Midi file using an online tool. This method is straightforward and doesn't require any software installation, making it convenient for quick conversions.